So in this video, you'll learn how to enable a disabled app on your Samsung Galaxy A36, A26, or A56. So if you've disabled an app on your phone and you want to re-enable it, then all you need to do is simply access the Settings app. Once you're in the Settings app, you want to scroll and select the option Apps, and then look for the disabled app in your list of apps that you're seeing on your screen. Once you found it, just tap on it to access the app info page. If you're having trouble trying to figure out which app has been disabled and which one hasn't, then all you need to do is simply look for this disabled option right underneath the app name and the list, and then you'll be able to tell if that app is enabled or disabled. So as you can see, Chrome is currently disabled, but if I scroll down, you'll notice the other apps are currently enabled, which means that I don't have to go and re-enable them. So again, just tap on the disabled app to view its app info. And then at the very bottom on the toolbar there, you should see the option Enable. So tap on it once, and then once you've tapped on it, you can see the disabled tag has disappeared, which means that you've successfully enabled the app again. So all you need to do to use the app is just navigate to your home screen, and then you should just look for the app icon from there. And then once you found it, just tap on it to launch the app. Now you can start using the previously disabled app on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.